With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is that it is harmful to use a sharp object for the cleaning the ear here. This is a true and false type of a question, and this is the true statement here. Because if we talk about the ear, which is the auditory organ, here we have the outer ear, then we have the middle ear, and then we have the presence of the inner ear. So this is the compartmentalization of the ear. So outer ear, it consists of the pinna, right? And in the middle ear, we have the presence of the three ossicles, incus, stapes, and the malleus. And the inner ear, it has the presence of the cochlea here, right? Which is like this, snail shaped. Now, this outer ear and the middle ear, it is separated with the help of the tympanic membrane here, right? It is separated with the help of the tympanic membrane, and this tympanic membrane, it is also known as the eardrum. So whenever we place any harmful object for the cleaning of our ear in order to remove the ear wax here, so what will happen, this tympanic membrane or the eardrum, it can be bursted and it can be damaged here, and as a result of this, it can make a person deaf permanently, and it is not even curable.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.